Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by gathering the essentials: your video file, desired resolution, and the subtitle format you want. Open your chosen tool now. Whether it's an editor, online service, or CLI, import the video so you can see timing. Once done, create a new subtitle track or project and set language, frame rate, and encoding. This ensures sync. Make sure to save a copy before heavy edits, because good preparation prevents misaligned captions later. Now you produce and align the captions. Transcribe the audio or import an auto-generated draft, then play sections and place cues using the waveform or timeline. Adjust each start and end time by about 1/10 to 2/10 of a second so reading matches speech. While you work, break long lines, add speaker labels when needed, and keep text visible for at least 1 second per 12 characters. This pacing improves comprehension and accessibility. Finish by exporting the subtitles in your chosen format. Separate, SRT/VTT for flexibility or burn-in when needed. Render with correct encoding, UTF-8 for non-English, and test playback on several players and devices to verify sync, font size, and wrapping. If timing drifts across the file, don't recreate from scratch. Either retime problematic segments or apply a uniform offset to the entire track. If captions still fail, check frame rate mismatches between source and subtitle settings as the key troubleshooting fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.